Dear Mr. President, honorable judges, I represent the applicant, the leader of the United Opposition of Ukraine, the former Prime Minister of Ukraine, Ms. Yulia Timoshenko. She was detained on August 5, 2011. Since November, the applicant has experienced acute pain in her back and practically stopped moving on her own. Despite her numerous requests for medical assistance, the applicant has not received any treatment. She trusted neither prison nor civilian doctors, since both of them made numerous official statements that the applicant had no serious health problem and did not need any hospitalization or medical treatment. The applicant could not invite doctors per her choosing to examine her, though this right is guaranteed by the national law of Ukraine. CISO has a medical unit which provides emergency care but does not provide any primary care. CISO has no neurologist in its staff but only therapists, general practicing. Despite the applicant's health condition, she was forced by penitentiary authorities to participate in court hearings and to read her case file. The court hearing on the applicant's detention in the United Energy System case took place when the applicant was in a medical unit in December 2011. During the hearing on detention, applicant had to undergo emergency treatment with painkillers 3 times. According to the court's decisions, the state must ensure that the health and well-being of detainees are adequately secured by. In the applicant's case, however, the constant manipulation with the information on the applicant's state of health, providing her with painkillers or conditions of her cooperation, with law enforcement bodies, while knowing that she is seriously ill, manifests the lack of compliance of the government with the obligations under the European Convention on Human Rights to provide appropriate medical assistance to people in prison. With regard to the material and sanitary conditions of the applicant's detention, she was placed in cell 242 on the Kyiv CISO on August 5. The size of this cell was approximately 16 square meters, and there were 2 other detainees in that cell. The cell was without hot water and sometimes without even cold water. The cell had no shower and had a strong smell of mildew. The light in the cell could not have been switched off as government conformed and had been kept on 24 hours. The only window in the cell was located too high to be reached by the inmates and therefore had never been opened. The ventilation was provided through the cracked glass in the window. The toilet was in the cell, only separated from the rest of the room by 1 meter high partition. The applicant was allowed to shower only twice per week. The applicant felt humiliated to ask for the permission to take an additional shower or to get